Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been really long time that I haven't uploaded a single vlog. I think from past 1 or 2 months maybe. But I have been really busy, and because of the assignments and all the stuff, I couldn't upload even a single vlog. But now I am trying to find time to upload the vlogs and make the vlogs. And yeah, like you guys have so many questions like about studying in Germany and like visa queries, and like I get so many questions in the comment sections. Sometimes I couldn't even reply to them, but now I will slowly like make videos on all the topics you guys have asked for. And today is no special day. This is just me going out with couple of my friends to send the parcel. Like I ordered a pair of boots and few clothes from Zara, so but they couldn't fit me, so I am returning them. Yeah, they don't come to pick up the stuff, so we have to go to DHL, and maybe because of the lockdown they're not coming to pick up, or maybe they don't come at all. But yeah, I have to go to DHL, and I am going with my friends. They're just waiting here to play with the snow, I guess. Let me introduce you to my friends. And this is Soyam. You guys have already met him. He is wearing pink
No,
cap.
this is Sakshi.
And that's Sakshi. Sakshi, say hi. And this is Vivek.
Hi.
All of us study informatic here. We are in the same course, and right now they are just gonna
2, 1.
and they're just making a video.
Okay, stop.
So this is my university town, and it's all white in this month of January. And right now also the snow is falling, and that's the life in Clausel. Hello, what's up?
Where are you going, bro?
Going to give this to DHL.
All this package.
Yeah, all the package we have to give.
You would have ordered the truck to here.
Yeah, I wish. So yeah, these are the 3 packages we are going to give to DHL. Hey, why are you wearing a pink cap?
He took it from me.
But why?
It's cold.
Oh,
Doesn't matter what color it is.
but yesterday you were roaming around in the shorts.
That was yesterday.
So yeah, this is my gang. There are a few other friends, but they're not here right now. I'll introduce you later. It's already on, and guys, this is Mensa of Studentenwerk. Right now it is only open for takeaways. Like earlier it was like you can come here, sit and eat, but because of the COVID, right now it is totally closed. And we can come here for takeaway during lunch. I've tried the food once and it was really good. Like if you like European cuisine or German cuisine, then you will love it. Yeah. but many Indians here don't like German cuisine. But I love the dish I tried here, so for me it's good. Okay, so now I will introduce you guys to my friends here.
July 2020.
So,
I am the first person to come here.
hi guys.
Hello.
Hello, Sakshi, introduce yourself.
Hi, myself Sakshi, and I'm here in Clauser this July, and this is my first snowfall. Even I was in India, I never went to Himachal, and it feels good to live like this.
Live like this?
Yeah,
No struggle?
yeah, it's struggle is there. See,
The struggle is real.
What's the
We have-
struggle do you see here
we have to like wear too many clothes.
when we go out?
Yeah.
And inside?
Inside shorts.
Inside we wear shorts. And like on my Instagram people ask me like, in the snow you are wearing shorts? Okay, so next is Soyam. You guys have already met him, but he never introduced himself.
Hi, I'm Swayam.
With the pink cap. It's gone?
The pink eye is Sakshi's.
Okay,
I
cool.
took it.
On my defense, I was just wearing it because she went for a video.
Okay.
I'm not into pink things. Maybe I'm into people who are into pink things.
Okay. Yeah, so how's your experience in Clauser?
It was good so far. Finally there is snow, because we were really disappointed that there was no snow from November and December. But as soon as January hit, from New Year's it's continuously snowing.
Okay.
I'm very happy.
You're very happy?
Yeah,
And,
there is no
are-
struggle for
Are
me.
you showing the snow to your family through video call?
Of course, every day. The first thing everyone asks me is, how is it going? You must be having so much of fun in Germany. You're going out and stuff. We are not going out, guys. We can't go out. We need to order special boots, special jackets, everything to go out. And moreover, there's a lockdown. Nothing is going to happen if we go out.
And here are the boots I ordered, but I had to return them because my size was not correct, so I have replaced it with a bigger size now.
Yeah.
And now last is
Rubber.
Rabadia. He's always in mask. Too much fear of corona.
Yeah, I'm afraid.
So yeah, Rabadia, introduce yourself. Actually, his full name is Vivek Rabadia.
My name is Vivek Rabadia, and I'm here from last 1.5 years.
Okay.
And, this winter is superb.
And-
Because of last winter there is not that much snow, but this look like Shimla Manali. And
This is like
temperature,
I think more beautiful than
yeah,
Shimla
yeah,
Manali.
yeah. And temperature -1 degree, -2 degree in night, -9, -10. That's good.
So you are here from past 1 year,
Yeah.
and you have completed all the courses, right?
Yeah, I completed all my course.
And how difficult was it for you?
It's very difficult here.
Okay.
Because German university is very strict.
Okay.
So you have to put effort.
To pass the exams.
Yeah.
Okay, and you put a lot of effort. That's why you passed all of them in just 1 year.
And I left with my thesis only.
Yeah, like he came last year. In the 1 year, he completed all the subjects. Now he has whole 1 year to complete the thesis, right?
Yeah.
So guys, yeah, that was Rabba. So this is our gang here in Clausthal. And these guys are playing with the snow now. Sakshi. Oh, how does it feel? Hey, don't leave the package there. Oh, it's. Look at my gloves, guys. And yeah, like, this is the most beautiful thing. Now we have reached. Oh my God, we have met more players. Yeah, world is totally around. Okay, guys, we have met 3 more friends.
DHL.
This is Arnold.
Hello.
This is Muskan.
Hi.
And this is
What are you
Akansha.
sending? This is Christmas gift.
Yeah.
Yeah, Christmas gift we are going to give to DHL.
They sent a gift. We said no, thank you.
No, thank you.
We are sending
Are
it
you
back.
giving it back?
You can actually see that this is your
What?
take it.
Yeah.
That structure.
Two are Ankit and one is Sakshi.
Yup. What are you guys up to?
See.
Oh,
Hey. What are you guys up to?
we're going to Netto.
Oh,
Are
grocery
you willing to
shopping.
get a second-hand router somewhere? Or should I buy a new one?
You can get from seniors.
No. I can sell you one.
From Amazon.
No, I have good one.
Everybody willing to sell now?
Yeah.
One extra.
Acha, so I'll take it from you then.
Why not me?
From
You are on
anybody.
camera.
From anybody. Anybody who gives me the better
Check
price.
both which one you like, just take it.
Yeah.
Check.
Good deal.
Are you sure, Ankit? Check.
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah. So my router was not working properly. That's why I'm trying to sell it now. Hey, no bad language on the camera.
You can go. Beep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. See you guys.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah.
I came from the other building.
Yeah.
Let me know if you need any help.
And this behind me is our driving school. I have already applied for the driving license. I will make a separate vlog for that.
You missed something.
What did I miss?
You have went into this ice, the snow, and you were like, oh. Look at his leg.
Why are you hiding, Swayam? Hey,
Hey, look, where?
Swayam, your favorite fraternity. And it's one of the fraternity in Claustral. We came here for our welcome week parties, which after 2-3 parties which got cancelled because of Corona. So many things we are missing because of Corona. Right now also we are in lockdown, but we can go out to do important stuff. And that's Sakshi throwing snow at me. Your turn will come once the camera will go off. Yeah, good one. Rabba, yeah, from this now. Put. Yeah.
Models. Both talks Both talks to flip models. And yeah. Alles flip models and alles gut. Alles gut. Yeah. Alles gut. Flip models
And Soyam is trying to learn German from Rabba.
Again, let's start.
Okay.
Alles gut. Flip models and
They are singing a German song. What?
I was scared.
Do you really need to put the snow? Already snow is falling.
No, but she's putting snow on everyone. She's the culprit.
She is the culprit, right? Okay, finally, after 15 minutes of walk in the snow, we have finally reached DHL in German Dehal. There's already a line. So yeah, now we are waiting in the line
And
to
I
go
have a
inside.
question. I have a
Yeah,
question.
what do you have a question?
Ankit, I don't know. This is for the first time I'm returning something. So what I have to say inside?
What?
What I have to say inside, like how?
Okay,
In
inside,
German
so-
or English?
So we are returning our boxes. We don't
Yeah.
have to say anything.
Okay.
You just go inside, you show the barcode they send you for the
Okay,
return,
okay.
and they will just paste a sticker on it and they will send it to them.
Okay,
That's it.
fine.
Yeah.
Give my passport.
Yeah, and you don't need passport to return anything.
Just for
Yeah, just for
safe
the
side.
safe side. Yeah, cool. And now we are going inside. Generally, like in our town, you don't have to wear the mask, but when you're going inside a shop or especially you're in the market area, you have to wear the mask. That's why I'm wearing the mask. What are you doing? Social distancing. Yeah, I'm still here holding the bag. Holding these two big boxes.
And Sakshi is already inside. Yeah, so Sakshi, how was your first time?
It was good. She was so nice. She was like, okay, come. What do you want to return? And they're like very polite person. They don't like.
Be rude and mean.
No, exactly. no, I'm not rude.
And Ankit is still doing his work. What about you, Rabba? Have you written anything anytime?
A lot. Rabba has a 4 to 5 pages history of returning, right?
Yeah. Rabba is the ambassador of returning stuff.
For the first time when I came to Germany and I saw a lot of boxes in his room, I thought he's very rich. But then I saw him returning everything.
I'm rich. Okay, that was it. Thank you for holding the camera, sir. Are we going to the church side or going back?
Yeah, let's go to the church side.
Let's see if there'll be like some light. So now we are done with the DHL and it's a struggle to come outside every day in the snow. Now we are going to the market area, but almost everything is closed except a few grocery stores. So this is the market area of Gloucester. Right now, like many stores are closed because of the lockdown, and few grocery shops are open. Roseman is open. Okay guys, so it's dark now and it will be difficult to record a video in low light, so I'm gonna end the vlog now, and soon I'm gonna make many other videos like how we are living in Swedenborg and how we are studying and here and all the important stuff you guys want to know. And there'll be travel videos also once the lockdown will get over. And this is just outside our university. So I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching till here, and thank you guys for being a part of my vlog. Cheers.